Now I can buy VMware ESX in 3 different formats. I can buy it as a starter pack, I can buy a standard pack, or I can buy an enterprise pack. These are the 3 different packs that I can buy. With the starter pack, I only get ESX. This is the only thing I get. So I don't want to kind of do this, but okay. So I only get ESX. With the standard pack, I get ESX. I also get a VMFS, VSLP. I'll talk about what are they. VMFS, VSLP. With an enterprise pack, I get ESX, VMFS, VSLP, vMotion, DRS, HA, consolidated backup. These are the things. These are the different things that you get with. Along with it, you can also buy Virtual Center. Okay. So for the rest of the day, what we'll be doing is we'll be talking about. ESX we've already talked about it. So I will not go really in depth into the architecture of ESX or anything like that. Okay. So this is we have already covered. What is VMFS? VMFS stands for Virtual Machine File System. What is a file system that you use with Windows? NTFS? You use NTFS file format with Windows. What is the file system you use with Linux? ext3, RiserFS, you could use anything. With Windows, I could still use FAT32. Why am I using NTFS and not FAT32? Performance. That is exactly the reason why you would want to use VMFS. I get better performance. So think of it like this. VMFS file system is used when you want very good performance. Okay? It's not that I cannot use ext3. I can still use ext3 to run an ESX. No problem, it will work. But the performance that I get is very low. I will not get as much performance as I use VMFS. VSMP is very simple. The virtual machines I have on, let's say I have a 4 processor system, or a 4 processor system. Now each virtual machine on top by default can use only one processor. I can assign only one processor to the virtual machine. If I have VSMP, virtual symmetric multi processing. If I have VSMP license, I can assign multiple CPUs to the virtual machines. That's what is VSMP. Okay. Now we have talked about VSMP. Now for the rest of the section, we will be talking about vMotion, DRS, HA, consolidated backup. So till this point, any questions? Because ESX is the base foundation that you need to kind of understand. What is virtualization and what is ESX? Where do you install ESX? So any questions? No? So what we can do now is it's 10:20. We can probably take a 10-minute break, come back, and we'll do the remaining. Okay. After this, it will be more of me showing how to do a vMotion, how to do a P2V, things like that. Okay. So we can take a 10-minute break now, come back.